The slimy pink film that builds up inside a plastic water tank is enough to make anyone lose sleep. It feels like a losing battle every single winter. You spend more time scrubbing those tiny, awkward, hard to reach crevices than you do actually enjoying the humidified air. This is the specific frustration that this new stainless steel humidifier is trying to solve. It does not look like your typical bulky, translucent plastic appliance. Instead, it looks like something you would find in a professional kitchen or a high-end medical clinic. The whole philosophy here is simplicity through better materials. You are looking at a reservoir made entirely of steel, which is a massive departure from the porous, cheap plastics we usually see in the big box stores. There are only three main parts that ever touch the water. This means you can actually get in there and ensure everything is sterile, without needing a specialized brush or a gallon of vinegar. It is designed to cover medium-sized rooms, roughly 350 square feet, and it does so with a quietness that is almost eerie. For parents who are constantly worried about what their kids are breathing, or for those of us with sensitive sinuses and heavy allergies, that hygiene factor is a major selling point. However, we have to talk about the reality of the cost. You are looking at spending over $200 for this unit. That is a significant investment for a device that essentially just moves water into the air. When you pay that much, you might expect it to connect to your phone, or have some kind of advanced sensor that tracks the moisture levels in real time. But you won't find any of that here. This machine is strictly manual. No apps, no voice controls, no fancy digital displays. It is a minimalist tool for a minimalist lifestyle. You are paying a premium for the raw materials, and for the precious time you save by not having to fight with mold every weekend. The mist output itself is, well, it is average. It will get the job done for a bedroom, but it is not going to turn your house into a tropical rainforest in 10 minutes. You have to ask yourself if the clean aesthetic and the ease of maintenance justify that price gap. For some, the answer is a resounding yes. Because they value their health and their time above all else, they want a device that fits into a modern home without looking like a blue and white medical eyesore. For others, this will feel like a massive overpay for a very basic machine. If you are the type of person who loves smart home gadgets and wants to control everything from a tablet, you are going to be disappointed. But if you are tired of throwing away a cheap plastic humidifier every single year because it got too gross to save, this might be the last one you ever buy. It is a trade-off between high-tech features and high-quality longevity. It simplifies a chore that most of us absolutely despise, and there's a definite value in that peace of mind. You just have to decide if that peace of mind is worth the extra cash. It is a bold move to strip away all the bells and whistles and focus entirely on the cleanliness of the water, but for a specific group of people, that is exactly what they have been waiting for. It is sleek, it is heavy, and it is remarkably easy to live with, provided your budget can handle the initial hit.